welcome to a new episode of study tour, I should say. During this period of Corona, I'm sure we are not able to take you personally or physically to the beautiful places around or in and around our district. So today, right now I am standing on the river, on a bridge which is across the river. The river name is Bavali. Today we are going to take you into the Arlam farm, especially to show you the agriculture activities being carried out there. There are varieties of crops grown in this farm, starting from rubber, cashew nut, coconut, coca, coffee, and many other vegetables, fruits, and we are going to show you how they cultivate it and how much area each crops. Then to tell you a brief history about this farm was created between 1970 and 1975. Till that time it was only a forest area, but in order to increase the agriculture yield or in order to meet the increasing demand of the agriculture products, the government of India together with the state government started this farm. Initially it was of around 3,000 hectares, but 50% of the hectares, 50% that is nearly around 1,500 hectares of land is given to the poor people whom we call as tribal or the Adivasis. Now we have only around 1,530 hectares of land in which varieties of crops are growing. And as you will see in this video, Arlam farm was one of the highest producer, actually the highest producer of coconut in India, producing around 40 lakhs of coconut per year. But right now, because of the natural problems like the sickness, wildlife attacks, and different types of diseases that occur into the plants, now the production has gone down drastically, and now only around 10 lakhs of coconut they produce every year. Anyway, now it is not in the top rank. Then the next one is mainly rubber and cashew nut. And here the elevation, the height of the land start from 50 meter to 1145 meter. The highest peak in this Arlam farm is Kati Beta. And I'm sure we will not be able to show you that, but we will be able to show you all other important features in the Arlam farm. And together with me I have Sir Joseph, Mr. Srilesh and Mr. Vidun with us, and we four are going to bring you this colorful, important, informative, educative program for you, and I hope you will watch and enjoy it. And we expect you to bring this type of many more videos which is very much useful for you and which will bring you to, though you are away, but mentally it will bring you closer to this area, to the Arlam farm. Now follow me. So this is the entrance of Arlam farm in the west side. That is, it is located, there is a highway, Malayora highway we call, from Yedur. Actually it comes from Payavur, Iriti or Yedur. It goes to a place called Kottiyur, and from there we are entering, and from here another 8 kilometers we need to travel. Then we will be reaching the main office of this farm.
കണ്ണൂർ ജില്ലയിലെ ഇരിട്ടി താലൂക്കിൽ ആറളത്ത് സ്ഥിതി ചെയ്യുന്ന ആറളം ഫാമിംഗ് കോർപ്പറേഷൻ 3500 ഏക്കർ വിസ്തൃതിയുള്ള ഒരു വിവിധ കാർഷിക വിളകൾ കൃഷി ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു ഫാമാണ്. സംസ്ഥാന പട്ടികവർഗ വികസന വകുപ്പിൻ്റെ കീഴിൽ പ്രവർത്തിക്കുന്ന ഈ സ്ഥാപനം കമ്പനീസ് ആക്ട് അനുസരിച്ചാണ് ഇതിൻ്റെ ദൈനംദിന പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങൾ മുന്നോട്ട് കൊണ്ടുപോകുന്നത്. ഈ ഫാമിൽ പ്രധാനമായിട്ടും തെങ്ങ്, കമുക്, കൊക്കോ, കുരുമുളക്, കാഷ്യൂ, റബ്ബർ, അതുപോലെ ഒരു സെൻട്രൽ നഴ്സറി വടക്കൻ കേരളത്തിലെ വിവിധ ജില്ലകളിലേക്ക് ആവശ്യമായിട്ടുള്ള ഗുണമേന്മയുള്ള നടീൽ വസ്തുക്കൾ ഉൽപ്പാദിപ്പിച്ച് വിതരണം ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു സെൻട്രൽ നഴ്സറിയും അതോടൊപ്പം ഇരിട്ടി ടൗണിൽ ഒരു മിനി സൂപ്പർ മാർക്കറ്റും ഫാമിൻ്റേതായി പ്രവർത്തിച്ചു വരുന്നു.
Students, as you see behind me, you can see almost around 2 hectares of pepper plantation. So there are mainly 2 varieties. One is Karimunda and another one is Panniyur. But here what we see is the mainly Karimunda. You can see the crop, it is growing very well. We are taking much care. It is actually 600 acres of land. Varieties of things are growing. Out of that, you can see mainly pepper in this area, around 5 acres of land, and it is well cared and protected, and there is a section office here. The pepper plant is a creeper actually. I'm sure you know what is creeper, and it grows on a tree, but this tree doesn't give any fruits or anything. This is just for supportive, and in Malayalam we call this tree as kilinjil. So you can see number of that plants like this, and this is the best plant for growing this pepper. Students, we had already seen about pepper plant. Now this is another variety which doesn't need a support. I told you actually pepper is a creeper, but it is not the one. It's a bush pepper. It doesn't grow much high. This is the maximum height, but you can see there are the yield is very good here. You can see here it's a very good yield is here. Actually, even you can try at home. If you have 2-3 pots like this around the house, you can take care. It's not that very difficult task. What is required for our home use, you can get from this. Arlam Farm used to be the largest producer of coconut in India till recent years. That was nearly 40 lakhs of coconut they used to produce per year. But now the production has come down to only little more than 1 lakh per year because of the attack by elephants as well as various sickness, and many other trees are damaged. But still there are number of good coconut trees which are very hybrid type, which give good yield, are found in Arlam Farm. Students, you can see behind me, when we were learning about in class 10 especially agriculture, sesame, there is a seed called sesame. In Malayalam we say ell. It's almost black in color. It has many medicinal value even. That plant is cultivated here. You can see it has a white flower that shows that the seed is about to come. It takes only around 3 months to starting from the cultivation till harvesting. It takes only around 3 months. Even oil can be produced from here. In Malayalam we say nallanna, that comes from this plant. നമ്മൾ ഈ കുരങ്ങന്മാരുടെ ശല്യം അതാണ് ഒരു പ്രധാന പ്രശ്നം ഈ ഫാമിലെ. അപ്പോൾ അതിനെ ഓടിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി in order to chase away the monkeys which disturb the crops, there are some devices are there. The people use that, and there is an expert here. He will explain you about that.
ഇത് കുരങ്ങ് വരുമ്പോൾ കുരങ്ങിനെ ഓടിക്കാനും അതിന് മാത്രം, കുരങ്ങ് ചാവുമൊന്നുമില്ല, ഇതിന് സൗണ്ട് മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. ഇത്ര കാര്യങ്ങൾ മാത്രമേ ഇതിന് കൊണ്ടുള്ളൂ. പിന്നെ മരുന്നിടുക, അടിക്കുക, കുറച്ച് വെള്ളമെല്ലാം വെച്ചിട്ട് മാത്രമേ ഇത് പൊട്ടിക്കുക ചെയ്ത്.
So this expert is going to show us how it is used. It's a carbon piece. So we have to insert that in that instrument. It is mixed with water, carbon and water. Then the lid is closed. Then there is a lighter which we use in the gas stove. So we need to press that, then automatically that sound will come. So you heard the sound, such a loud sound it makes, just with a piece of a carbon and some water. And there is another extra fitting, that is a lighter which we use in the for the gas stove. So the big sound comes, naturally the monkeys will run away. It is never meant for killing the monkey, but just to scare them and so that the crops are protected. Students, you can see behind me now, what you see is cocoa plants. I'm sure you have heard about cocoa plants, and I'm sure many of you might have seen even. So you can see the fruits over there, and see these are all just starting, and this is, you can see it is green in color now. That shows that it's not matured now. By next rainy season it will be ready for harvesting. Once it is ready for harvesting, it will become yellow color. So students, see, there are number of seeds inside a cocoa fruit. So you can just eat the outer cover, you can eat. It is very nice, so tasty. And you can see there is a seed there. This seed we have to dry it, make it powder, and it is used for making chocolates and other cake items. Okay, I'm sure you like cakes and cake and Cadbury's. So it actually comes, this is the main ingredient. Students, you can see behind me coffee plants. So there are large number of coffee plants grow in this area, and the seeds are not yet matured now. Once it is matured, it will become almost red in color. That I will show you. So coffee, one of the beverage item, or the people like, mainly people drink tea and coffee. So in Arlam farm there are many area, you can see together with the cocoa plants, coffee is also planted. And I can show you a matured one which is ready for harvesting. This seed is ready for harvesting. You can see it is dark red in color, and within few days this will be harvested. Then they dry it, make it powder and export it. Usually what they do is, in Iriti they have a supermarket and they sell these coffee products there.